Amicable divorces with kids. Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today I want to talk about how amicable divorces work when you have kids. Divorce can be challenging, but when both parents are on the same page and focused on what's best for their children, the process can be much smoother. When kids are involved, the key to an amicable divorce is communication and cooperation. Parents need to work together to create a parenting plan that addresses custody, visitation, and child support. For example, I recently helped a couple with 2 young children who agreed on a 50-50th custody schedule that worked around both of their work shifts. By being flexible and putting their kids' needs first, they avoided any arguments or delays. Child support is another important part of divorces with kids. In California, the amount of support is based on factors like each parent's income and the amount of time the child spends with each parent. I've had parents come to us unsure how to calculate support fairly. We use state guidelines to determine the amount and help parents include special expenses, like childcare or extracurricular activities, in the agreement. One common concern parents have is how the divorce will affect their kids emotionally. From my experience, kids tend to handle divorce better when they see their parents working together. I've seen clients successfully co-parent because they made a point to stay respectful and focused on their kids' well-being, even during the divorce process. Another key to an amicable divorce with kids is having clear, detailed agreements in place. This prevents confusion or misunderstandings later. For example, I worked with a couple who agreed on everything except how to handle holidays. By putting specific holiday schedules in their agreement, they avoided potential conflicts down the road and created consistency for their kids. At Divorce661.com, we help parents navigate all aspects of divorce with kids, from creating parenting plans to calculating child support and filing all necessary documents with the court. Our goal is to make the process as stress-free as possible so you can focus on your family. If you're ready to move forward with an amicable divorce and want to make sure everything is done right, contact us at Divorce661.com to schedule your free phone consultation. We're here to help you through every step of the process. Legal disclaimer: I am a digital avatar, and the information provided in this video is AI generated. I am not an attorney, and this content is not legal advice. For personalized guidance, please consult a qualified attorney or legal professional. Divorce 661 is a legal document preparation service specializing in amicable divorces in California and operates as a neutral third party.